Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook business page. Now, in order to do that, you of course have to be an admin. You can't be an editor, an advertiser. You need to be admin of the Facebook page. So once you are an admin, come to the Facebook page as you see here, select settings, and that's going to take you into a new back end. And go down the list to the left here to page roles. Select that, and now you will see assign a new page role. So this is going to give someone admin access to a Facebook page. And I'm going to add my brother. Now, there are two things to keep in mind with this. You need to be friends with them on Facebook in order to add them to your business page, or you need to have the email address that they use for their Facebook profile. That's very important. So you need one of those two things. You need to be friends with them on Facebook, or you need to have the email address they used for their Facebook profile. Once you have that, as you can see, once I started typing in his name, because I am friends with my brother, I selected him and he populated in here. Then you're going to go to this drop down box and you're going to have a few different options for the type of thing that you want to give people. And for this particular one, we want to give admin access. And for all of eJenn clients, this is what we prefer. You're going to hit add, and then you are going to add your password, hit submit, and now you'll scroll down and you'll see that Patrick Stinnett is admin of my business page. Now, in order to remove him, all you have to do is select edit, come over here to the word remove, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to remove Patrick? I'm going to say yes, and now he's removed from the page. So those are two easy ways to add someone as an admin and remove them. So I hope this helps you. Thank you.